Že ko smo vstopili v sobo, so nas sten pozdravljale razne slike avstralske pokrajine, Sydneyja ter bumerang. Kaj to je bumerang, pa nam je Sandy razložil kar po angleško.
This is Aboriginal boomerang, which is boomerang means that if you give something to someone, slang in Australia is if you lend somebody a tool or something, you don't say bring me back. You say it's a boomerang. Why? Because this boomerang is a orožje. If you know how to throw it, it'll come back to you. They use, Aborigines, they use this to kill kangaroos, mainly kangaroos. Because when he throws it, that knife goes around his neck and cuts his throat. This is knife, see? It is when it goes in a circle. It is when it goes, it goes in a circle. I don't know how to throw it. I try to throw it, but never come back to me.
Jaz bi sam to za zaključek povedala, da jaz sem bila v Avstraliji zelo lepo sprejeta, nepozabno, nikdar. Vse, sploh se mi je dopadlo, Avstralija se mi strahovito je dopadla in lepše kot pa Slovenija, jo pa ni. To je pa to.
There is nice places up there too.
Sem bila pa zadovoljna.
Very nice places. Sometimes a lot better, a lot nicer than here. But what it is, when you come from your home country to some other country, you're not ever treated the same as the people that grow up there and go to school there and things like that. They are already our children. They are already now Australian because they were born there. But us, we are always not, I don't know, should I say it or not, what they call us, bloody walk, which means in Italian language, gentleman. But we hide that word, bloody walk. They call you bloody walk, you already hit him in the heart. There's no. In Australia, they call you bloody walk. They put on I had a property, and I had a channel, storm water channel. If anybody knows what is a storm water channel. And my children come, Dad, what is it? There's something written on there. What? Go back where you come from, you bloody walk. Yeah. 2 weeks. I wait for that man. 2 weeks. I load the gun because at that time you have no problem. You have a gun, you have anything you have. Don't worry about it. No license, no nothing. I load the gun and I said to him, he was outside and his wife was outside and his kids was outside. And I said, you watch yourself, you will get it. 2 weeks I wait outside on a veranda with a loaded gun till he come out one night. Poof! Up above his head. 2 weeks later he stood the house and gone. Don't allow no one, even if you guys, any one of you, try to go in a world, don't ever let yourself that somebody will put you down. Never. You must have your respect for yourself. And you must hold that in your hand and in your heart to get where you want to get. You guys will probably go one day, which is everyone's youngster's dream, to go in the world, to see something, to see better life or whatever. That's what I went. I went the same way. When I'm not sorry, I went. I come back and I'm happy. I got good woman. What do you want else? Right? What else you want? You live like a king.
Na to pa smo se dotaknili še druge teme.
Pokojnina v Avstraliji je čisto enostavno. če delaš minuto ali pa celo življenje, ko si star 65 let, dobiš polno pokojnino. Ženska 62 let. Pa ni važno, moja ženka bila tam 10 let, pa ima polno pokojnino isto, kak jaz, ki sem delal 42 let. Zdaj pa morate misliti, kaj to je razlike. Ali pokojnina pa ni velika, drugo pa je to. Tam, tukaj se zmeraj brišejo pa tepajo za to, da pokojnina pa eno pa drugo pa tretje pa za zdravstvo pa to. Tam imaš zdravstvo, ne, dodatno zdravstvo tudi moraš plačevati kak tukaj, to dodatno zdravstvo, ne, za to moraš plačevati, ali, kako bi to rekel, ko ti dosežeš 65 let, imaš pokojnino, če imaš delovni staž ali nimaš. Ženska 62, to sem že tako omenil enkrat. Drugo je pa to, vsa elektrika, vodovod, komunala tukaj, ne, telefon, vse imaš pol popusta. Tu je vse, moraš, ki se penzionira, nisi penzionir, moraš isto plačati, kako nekaj dela.
Ko si upokojen.
Je, tam, ko si upokojen, vse polovico. Avtobus,
Polovico imaš.
avtobus imaš pol cene. Vlak, pol cene. Ni važno, kam greš, a enkrat na leto, pa vsak penzioner, lahko gre po celi Avstraliji za obstoj z vlakom ali pa z avtobusom.
In čeki, hišni čeki.
Ja, vse pol, vse.
Elektrika, voda.
Vse pol, vse sem to že
Plača je
povedal.
upokojenci.
Telefona pol, samo trebaš pol telefon plačati.
Vse
Pol.
to.
To je tisto, ker tukaj, da bi oni do tega prišli tukaj, pol bo komaj penzioner lahko živel prav. Saj meni nič ni, meni nič ne manjka. Ali rečemo takšni penzije, ker imajo tam po 300 evrov penzije, pa 400 evrov penzije, ta težko
Težko
svajajo.
je to.
Težko
Naj
svajajo.
bi pogledali na to. Ja,
Ugled zamajo.
tako je.
Če hočejo, zmeraj pravijo, ja, tam je v Nemčiji tak, tam je tak, tam je
Tako je.
tak. A kakšne plače imajo?
Tako je.
Kaj pa imajo tu?
No, vendar.
Ja, kaj gled ona sirota tam, kaj delajo v tekstilni tovarni prek Murja, kaj že pač je. Za 380 evrov na mesec.
Ja.
Bullshit, jaz sem vstal na da bi šel da to delati.
Da.
Ne bi se vstal. Razlika. Oni hočejo, da grejo po svetu, ali da sebe grabijo.
Ja.
Če ćeš že iti v Western World, idi propa, ali pa nič. Anything else you like to know?
Hvala. Dolg si bil. Da znaš nehati.